Why do we let bread rise twice before baking? This simple step is the secret behind soft, airy bread with perfect texture. Discover why skipping it can ruin your loaf. The first rise, also called bulk fermentation, is where the magic begins. Yeast feeds on the sugars in your dough, releasing carbon dioxide gas that forms tiny bubbles. These bubbles cause the dough to expand and develop a light structure. At the same time, fermentation produces alcohol and acids that add rich, complex flavors to your bread. This step is crucial for turning simple dough into something delicious and airy. Once the dough has doubled in size, you punch it down and shape it into your loaf or rolls. This knocks out large gas pockets and redistributes yeast for even fermentation. Then comes the second rise, or proofing. This step relaxes the gluten, refines the crumb structure, and sets the dough for a better rise in the oven. Skipping this means dense bread with poor texture and less volume. Both rises work together to create the classic bread experience. The first rise builds flavor and gas bubbles, while the second rise perfects the texture and ensures your bread puffs up beautifully in the oven. Without two rises, bread can be dense, tough, or bland. This time-tested process is why bakers insist on letting dough rest twice before baking. So next time you bake bread, remember that letting it rise twice is not just tradition. It's science and art combined to make your loaf soft, flavorful, and perfectly textured. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.